Hi everybody, my name's Guy. I'm from Excavating Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to make pot of gold digs. These are a lot of fun for any occasion, but they're super cool. Right now it's currently getting really close to St. Patrick's Day, so we like to make these. They're a lot of fun, and they're super easy and inexpensive. Now if you've seen some of my videos, you know I love weird containers and cool stuff we can use for excavation activities. This right here, I get excited every time around St. Patrick's Day. These also show up around Halloween too. But they're just tiny little cauldrons, and they work great for what we're going to do today. But like I said, they're super cheap. I mean, this pack of 5 was for $1. So what we do, get our hands on some of these. You're going to need one for each kid or whoever's going to be involved or participating in this fun little activity. You're going to need, if you've seen some of our other videos, you're going to need playground sand. Get a whole bag, 50 pounds of it for $5 or $6 at Lowe's. Plaster of Paris, it's also very inexpensive. Water. So just to dive right in, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to need something really cool to put in here that the kids are going to want to dig into and discover. Of course, I love rocks and minerals, so pyrite's a really good choice for this. You can fill this thing up with pyrite that they dig out. They're going to love finding that. We also have these gold coins, again, from the Dollar Tree. I think a whole pack of 30 was $1. You can add these in. The kids love finding these, but I like to have a little extra spin. If you do go with the plastic gold coins, make sure you have something maybe they can exchange it for treats or trinkets or something like that. So anyway, what you want to do to make your excavation mix, this is going to be kind of the matrix of the stuff that goes around whatever item you put in here that the kids are going to dig away. So what we do, we use 3 parts sand to 1 part plaster, and then we start adding water 1 part at a time as well. So what that means is if I were to take 3 scoops of sand and put in here, I'm going to take 1 scoop of plaster. So 3 parts sand to 1 part plaster. I then like to dry mix it. You really don't have to do that, but I don't know. It just seems to help a little bit. Then I start and I have my 1 scoop of water. Start adding it. You'll see it's not going to, you're going to need to add more water, but you just want to start mixing it. And what you're looking for is that pancake batter kind of consistency. So it flows a little bit, but also you don't want it super watery. Again, this whole mixed stuff is very forgiving. So if your measurements are off a little bit, don't worry about it. It's going to work. So go ahead, put your items in here, whether it's your pyrite, whether it's your plastic gold coins. You can also use real coins, quarters, silver dollars are super cool. Mix up your mix, pour it in here. Don't go all the way to the top, kind of halfway up to the rim. No big deal. And then if you want to be super cool, I like to take a little bit of gold glitter or something like that. While the kind of top layer is still here wet, just go ahead and sprinkle it on there. You don't have to go crazy. It'll give it a nice little sparkle, kind of that whole gold look we're going for our little pot of gold digs that we're doing for St. Patrick's Day. All that being said, that's really it. You're going to want to sit it in front of a fan overnight, maybe 2 because it's a little larger excavation. Doesn't have to be perfectly dry either. But then once you get around to it, you can present these at a party as an activity, a St. Patrick's Day party. Hand them out to your kids just for fun, all that stuff. So they're going to need something to dig into this thing with when they get that far. Most importantly, make sure they have safety goggles, eye protection of some kind. Let them dig in. It's as simple as a popsicle stick will actually start scraping this stuff away. They can dump it out. So you may want to have a tray or something to collect that dust and debris. Obviously, you want to be in an area that's easy to clean up too. They scrape in there. They start discovering the items, pulling them out, whatever it was you chose to put in there. We say this a lot. If you have younger excavating adventurers that are struggling digging in here, make sure you have some water available. You can have a pipette or a little straw, or they can just scoop some in with a spoon or something. But that moisture will really make this soft and easier to dig into. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make our pot of gold digs. They're a lot of fun. Super easy, inexpensive to make. And last but not least, I promise I'd tell you, go to our website, excavatingadventures.com. Like I said, you can sign up for less than $10 to get a mystery dig sent every month to you, or you can get them for free by joining our Dig Zone program. You just go in there, sign up, only takes a minute. You start earning points. You can go on virtual gym mining, you can answer trivia, all these things. Next thing you know, you've got some points saved up, you swap it for a gift card, and we'll send you some free goodies. All right, until next time.